Today is teach you insert or edit image tool. It can put the image on the pattern. Drag the rectangle on the pattern with the left button. This is the picture dialog. Click Browse to open picture. These are all image formats. Now is the original size. Don't take it. Write the image size here. Take it to delete the background color of the image. Click OK to end. Left-click on the image to show the square dots. The four corner dots are used to rotate the image. The four midpoints are used to change the image size. Left-click on the image to move it. Left-click to display the dialog. Edit the distance to move. Click OK to end. Left-click to finish. Left button and drag the rectangle in blank area. Input a picture. You can draw lines on image with an intelligent pen. Delete the picture with an eraser tool. Thanks for watching.